Alright guys, so if you want to replace the mirror on the driver's side, I'm gonna tell you how to do it, okay? This is 2016 Ram Promaster, okay? But the generation is the third generation from 2014 to 2018. As you can see, I tore it apart, and this is all you gotta do. Let me disconnect this key. Getting annoying. Yeah, it's super clean over here. Alright, so this is all you gotta do to replace the mirror. So we're gonna disconnect this. Should be a good angle, right? I'm just gonna disconnect this too. Alright. And this one. And this is why I'm replacing it. Okay. Put that on the side. This. Right. I'm gonna put the new one. Then we're gonna have to run it through it. Alright. By one, I guess. I'm just gonna have to fish it down there, but another one here. Another one here. Another one here. I'm gonna use the T40. Now these wires, I'm gonna run it through here. Okay. This is supposed to be covered. Alright. Now we're gonna gray with gray. Black with black. You're gonna hear the click. Okay. Now we're Gucci with that. Now we're gonna put everything together. Salad, just for that. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put this guy here. This thing is supposed to go, this is for the handle inside. This thing gotta go through here. Now for that, first I'm gonna mount this. Not biggie though. pretty much with this. The cables here. This yellow one is for the speaker. Okay. These three are for control switch. Okay. Here the click, everything Gucci. Before you put it on, we're gonna tighten everything, tap it, right? Just gonna go here. Let's see for this is a T30. That's one. Have a bunch of more, maybe one more over here. Right. Then two more here. Is that it for those? Yeah, I guess. Alright. I'm gonna connect this like this. Put it like this. Here. That's it. Now here. I don't know if these are. Right. I have to show you here. There's two over there. One here, one here. That's the with the T30. Okay. Here we connect this. You just put it back in there like that. Okay, Gucci. Now this is for the speaker. Speaker goes. Look like it goes like this. Sorry, I have to connect it here. Okay. Then you have the bolts. Stars. Come on, just gonna put it there for now, just like that. There. Over there. Over here. Okay. And we tied those. Okay, once you put that there, we Gucci. We connect this. we're gonna put this. Supposed to pop just like that. Right. Now I have 4 screws. This one is gonna go here. Then down here, this one right there, this one right here, one right here. Okay, now we tied it. Start this. Start this. Start this. Okay. Now this one, Gucci. We'll put this guy back. Just like that. Now this guy is gonna go here. That. Okay. Now this big piece gonna go here. I'm gonna put it like this. It's gonna go like this first, and then top it here. Okay. Don't forget this little guy to go here. And we're Gucci. That's how you replace this mirror. Well guys, I hope you like this video, how to replace a mirror, driver's side. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Okay, put in the comment box. Alright, any questions, put in the comment box. I like you boy, I'm clacking now. Axtuo, boom.